Hello, Gunners. It's been a minute, I know. Sorry, been out of town on vacation for the summer. Went to Disney. It's fun, but got to be back out on the range today. I wanted to do this video because I realized I did not do this video, and I've been meaning to. Wanted to take the Gunnergurl SC out to the range. The STR-9 SC out to the range, and I wanted to do a little bit of a compare-a-rooney. So this is the Gunnergurl STR-9. This is the Gunnergurl STR-9 SC. So until the main difference between these two, of course, you got your 10 and your 15 rounder. And the main thing I noticed is this trigger. The trigger on the SC is slightly different. I don't know if you can tell. See, this is more prominent, a little more serrated. So it's a little sticky on my finger. This one goes more flat, I feel like. I guess it's a newer generation. I don't know if you can tell. See, it looks slightly different. This is more pointy. Feels a little less forgiving on the fingers than this. And if you line it up side by side, see the barrel of that versus the barrel of the STR-9 versus the STR-9 SC. So full size, subcompact, and I think the trigger is better on this newer version. Front and restoration, so that side picture, the grip's still very nice, very ergonomic. I think you might dangle a little bit. Technically, I should be more accurate with that one. So I am going to shoot the STR-9 SC and see how that goes. Alrighty. Alright. Well, that was that is a failure to feed right there. And this is brass. And it is stuck really well in there. Yeah, that is stuck in there. I am using Max Tech. I am going to have to stop the video and fix this malfunction, but as you can see, pretty accurate. Alright, thanks. I'm gonna go hear this. I'll talk to you later. Keep shooting.